So I was on CapCut playing on my computer, right? So when I get on CapCut, I go to my projects, make a video. Let me fast forward this because y'all don't want to hear what I'm saying. I'm really for the screen, gang. And I should quit weed. I'm gonna sue your whole entire company. I'm seriously a crash out.